Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. After crossing some rice fields, I arrived at that first stop, but that wasn't my final destination yet. At least another hour before reaching the Nakhon chair here. And guess what? Grab app works over here. So there was the drive to the hotel that I booked. So I arrived and I let y'all see the room that lights on with the key. Bed, closet, TV, towel, basic bathroom, and now I'm on my way to eat. FYI, that's also where I took my 360 shot. So from that bridge, that was my last bus stop. And from my hotel, that's where I went to eat after crossing the Nan River. And as usual, I let y'all enjoy the scenery. Watch this. After a quick dinner, I went around roaming around the city lights. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.